Alright, y'all, we ready to get into these Balenciagas that I paid all that money for. So if y'all like this, stay tuned. We ready to show you how I got these exact colors. Alright, so first off, y'all see how dirty they was. Like, these was filthy. I was so mad that I bought the white ones. But I went online and I got some of that suede paint from Angela's, and look at these, y'all. I'm so embarrassed, but I had to show y'all exactly how they look like. I had cleaned them off, but I could not get it clean for nothing. At the top, y'all see a little bit of yellow. I was testing out the dye because I was just going to do like that yellow, but I felt like it was going to be too bright. So I'm testing out the blue on this white red. And I was hoping that it was going to be a little bit lighter, but I mean, I already had the paint, so let's just see what it do. Alright, so this is me scrubbing off the suede with like a brush. I had watched some YouTube videos and they were scrubbing and cleaning the suede before they started painting, but it really didn't do nothing for me. So I just threw that shit to the side and got started. Right here, I'm going to use this leather paint for the bottom. I had mixed that green with a little bit of yellow since it was a little off, and that's what I used to go into the sole of the shoe. Y'all know, since the blue did drip a little bit onto the sole, since I didn't use the proper tape, I just turned that into a design. I was thinking about making these little drips blue, but I just had the urge to use black. I just felt like it'll tie into the bottom of the sole better, and it'll just give the shoe an extra look that I really love. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Be sure to follow me at ubosscollections on IG, and that's uboss_collections. I will be posting more updates. Don't forget to like and subscribe.